Welcome back. I'm Loretta from Prescience Technology, and in this video we're going to be talking about the infrared pens that come with your immersive project controls environment powered by Mission Room. We do recommend that you learn closely how you work with your infrared pens to be able to interact with the Mission Room, but also that you learn how to do those same functions using your keyboard and mouse.
So for now, back to the pens. Each Mission Room comes with 4 pens, which look like this. The pen is powered by standard AA batteries, and it connects to your Mission Room through the installed infrared cameras. If you look up towards your projectors, the infrared cameras are actually small black network connected devices, and they're calibrated to both the screens and the pens.
Typically, we would expect that in any key workshop for your project, you will be utilizing both the keyboard and mouse and the pens at different times. So it's important that you learn to interact with your Mission Room in both capacities. You do need to remember to take the lid off before you try to use the pens. They will only work in touch mode when the lid is off. In order to use your pen, put your lid in a safe place, don't lose it, and then we're going to touch the screen lightly and hold for just a second, and it will bring up what we call the radial launcher. The radial launcher is named so for a reason, and it has all of the functions that are available through your Mission Room on it. We're going to go through a couple of those today, but not all of them. We're going to go through the ability to open a program, and we're going to go through the ability to mark up a screen. Start with the marking up of the screen. You touch on the little pen at the top, and you'll see that you can use any of these functions. I'd recommend you have a play with your pen and your Mission Room to check them out totally. You can choose the color that you want to write in, and then you can literally draw on the screen. It's that easy. You can say, okay, we don't need that word here, or guys, we need this hut in the middle of a solar farm. We need it moved 600 meters to the northeast, and it actually needs to be here. So those are the types of markups and redlining that you can do in the environment. You can save those. If you're not the person who needs to actually mark that up in program or distribute it, you can save that on either 1 screen, 2 screens, or 3 screens, and email it off to your colleagues as needed. So if we save that, it actually brings up where you want to save it to. I'll type my file name, DF, and hit save. Done, ready to roll. So unless you've saved it, hitting the big red X removes all your markups from the screen, and you can continue on with your workshop. That's the first of the functions I wanted to run through today. The other one is the ability to launch a program in Mission Room mode. So you do that through this radial launcher, and it looks very similar to a Windows Explorer environment, and you'll certainly be able to scroll through those and to work out exactly what programs it is that you want to run. That is how to interact with your Mission Room using your infrared pen. It's really simple. Stay tuned for more in our very next video, and thanks for watching.